Introducing our Powerhouse Skin Restore Advanced Peptides and Collagen Moisturizer, Serum, and Eye Cream. All formulations of collagen, active levels of multi-peptides, plant extract pycnogenol, a powerful antioxidant, and are enriched with vitamin C and green tea. Doctor-developed with powerful anti-aging multi-peptides and antioxidants, these wrinkle-reducing formulas help to restore your skin for a more youthful-looking appearance. Nourishing Double Action Moisturizer helps to visibly soften and smooth the look of even the deepest wrinkles. The serum may help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And the eye cream may help to smooth the look of laughter lines. Feel forever young with nature's Botox.